What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to make the Claude answer your math equations step by step. So for that I have made this equation, then I'm going to just go ahead and paste over here. So here it will know that exactly what it needs to do. For example, if we're just going to go ahead, I'm going to go remove these signs so it doesn't really bother the whole system. But hey Claude, please solve this math equation step by step for me as I am 12 years old. Okay. Now let's see how it will respond to my chat, because this is the way how to do it. And let's wait a few seconds till it actually solves the equation and give the answers to us. So let's dive right into it. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the follow button as well on our Instagram page. It means a lot. So right now it is working on it, deliberately substituting method to explain algebra. And here you guys have it. Now here it has the equation, like equation number 1, equation number 2, which step 1 is get x by itself in the easy equation, which is x plus 2y is equals to 7. Now we're working on the equation number 2 first. Now we're going to go ahead and put x on the left hand side. As you guys can know that if the plus 2 is on the left hand side of the equal to sign, if we move it to the right side, it will become minus 2y. Now we have this equation ready, which is the value of the x at the moment. Now step 2 is to plug that into the first equation, which is the value of x. Now we're going to just go ahead and put the value of x from here, which we got is this, into this equation. Now we're just going to go ahead and put the brackets in and solve the equation. 2 will multiply by 7 and 2 over here, and it becomes this. Now we have 2 minus 4y and plus 3y, so it becomes minus y, which is over here. So rather than moving the y the 14 to the right side, we're just going to move ahead 12 to the left hand side, which will become, which is a bit easier, but the Claude done it using the minus y is equals to 12 minus 14, which is minus 2. Now you guys know that minus signs on the both hand sides cancel them out, which is y is equals to 2. Now put them into equation number 1 and you will have the accurate value of x. This is how you guys can solve it using step-by-step method. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.